What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave. Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Now, I got an unboxing for you. I thought about, what's another item, just another small little addition to the Rafcave that would be pretty cool. And my computer desk, I do have, just a Razer keyboard and a Razer mousepad, but I saw something online. Extended mouse pads with LED lights. Boom. Razer has the Goliathus extended Chroma mouse pad. Thing looks awesome. So what it is basically is it's an ultra wide mouse pad that you can put on your desk, put your keyboard on top, and you can use the extra extended part as your mouse pad. Or for me, I have the extra Razer mouse pad that has lights already, so you can put it on top and even extra padding kind of thing. But pretty sweet. What's going to be great is, since it has over 16 million colors, I can integrate it into my Chroma of the keyboard and mouse pad and have it all shine really cool with the same color. And if you have Philips Hue, which I do of course, there is an add-on on the Chroma where you can have all the lights match the Chroma keyboard, which is pretty sweet. So having that all lined up, awesome, right? So let's get this unboxed and roll it out and see what it looks like. Let's go. Black pin. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed. Let me cut this tape strip right here. Got this from Amazon. Sent 2-day Prime because Best Buy doesn't carry it, and I didn't want to go through Razer.com. I wanted that fast shipping, you know what I'm saying? So looking at the box here, pretty sweet front box. Razer Chroma powered, Goliathus extended Chroma, soft gaming mouse pad. Shot of the back, shot of the side. Feel that mouse pad texture, very smooth. Razer. For the gamers, by the gamers. And on the back, so we got micro textured cloth surface, powered by Razer Chroma, 16.8 million colors. We got the non-slip rubber base on the bottom so it doesn't move. Optimized for all sensitivity of all your mouses. And then compatible, of course, with all your Windows stuff. You got the sizes right there. Pause for effect. And then when you have it on your desk, look at all that nice space. Plenty of space for your mouse pad. Keyboard on top, it's gonna look great. Okay, let's get unboxed. Something cool for the Rafcave. Open it up, we got cable, of course. I like the little cover on the USB, very nice. Stickers. Of course, Razer stickers. Who knows where we're gonna put that. Okay, here we go. Now, I hope this lays flat. Okay, I've seen some pictures where it's got that little wave effect. Oh man, I don't want that. All right, here we go. Take it out of the box. Boom. Anything down there? Okay, nothing else in the box. Goliathus extended Chroma. I'm sure this is the instructions on how to set this up and all that good stuff. Yep, get the Razer Synapse 3 software, of course. All right, stickers, instruction manual. So you got a nice braided cord here, looks like, very nice. Feels like braided. Take this off. How long are we looking here? I'd say probably 6-foot cord, 6-foot USB cord, very nice. Gonna need it all. Got the Razer here, must be the brains of the operation. Take that off in a little bit. So, I am going to, all right, I'm gonna back up the camera a little bit and be able to show you guys when I roll this thing out here. So it looks like you lay it like this. All right, take this thing off here. Take the pad off. Keyboard. Oh man, very nice. Okay. Lay this on top. Looks like we're laying flat, guys. Good. Okay, move over a little bit more. Definitely got that rubber bottom. Very nice. Boom. Okay, centered. I like it. Good. Boom. All right. So, guys, I'm going to get this hooked up. Yes, lays flat. Okay, flat. Pretty flat on all sides. Just this little lip right here. This is the only part that's raised up a little bit. All right, guys, I'm going to pause it here. I'm going to get it plugged in, and we'll see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All set, guys. There it is. All working in perfect harmony with the Razer keyboard, Razer mousepad, and the Goliath mousepad all around. Sweet. All right, guys, there it is. Looks pretty cool to me. So if you need a mousepad or want to get something cool for your setup, definitely check them out. This is the Razer Goliathus extended mousepad. It's got a really good feel to it, good texture. It's got the LED strip all around. So you can do full customization with it. As you can see on my PC, I have the Synapse software running. So at the top, you know, 2 mouse pads. There you go, right there. 2 mouse pads. You got the keyboard, and then your Chroma for your Philips Hue lights. Let me see if that actually works. I can show you real quick the Hue. Turn it on. Let's see if this thing works here. There. So you go quick effects, spectrum cycling. Anyway, let me back you up here. So basically, your entire room, you know, with the Philips Hue lights everywhere, is tied in to the mousepad, keyboard, and mousepad there, all at the same time. There, see? Nice. All right, guys, so check it out. If you want something cool, something new, the Goliathus extended Chroma mousepad from Razer. Thanks for watching this, guys. I will see you on the next one. Skull.